Save money with private jet hire using empty-leg chartered flights. If you want to travel in style, then nothing can compare to private jet travel. But flying private is expensive, which leaves it out of the realm of possibility for many customers. But did you know you can save up to 75% flying with empty-leg flights? These can be bought when a plane needs to reposition or fly back to its home base, and offer huge discounts. If you're flying in European ski season, you can get great prices now.